The Emperor Palpatine's skill is gratifying. The dark side serves us well, I see. Those slurp barrels. The viscous liquid temporarily bolsters one's resilience, so you destroyed it. A curious choice, apprentice. Did you deem its restorative properties unworthy? The Emperor Palpatine continues to demonstrate the power of the dark side. Victory is assured with such strength at our disposal, apprentice. Five eliminations. A promising start, Emperor Palpatine. Ensure you do not choke on your aspirations, apprentice. Another falls before Emperor Palpatine's might. The dark side is indeed a pathway to many abilities, apprentice.